Hey, it's Garrett from Henelect, a resident here of Brickell City Center, doing another maintenance video. I had a problem with my diverter valve in my shower. It would just spin around and no water would come out. So it was time to change the valve. So Allen wrench takes off that outer trim piece. Phillips screw takes off that secondary trim piece, exposing the valve. That piece just unthreads, comes all the way off. Then the two trim pieces come off, and now it exposes the valve. There's that outer cover that can come off just with a simple channel lock, exposing the valve. Valve just pulls straight out. There are two little pins there. There's also a gasket. Here's the part on Amazon. I just kind of threw that in to see what I bought. There's a little gasket that's built into the actual valve, and make sure you take the old one out. That's what I'm doing here. Pull that gasket out. The new gasket's on the new diverter valve. I know my hands are in the way, but the valve only goes in one way. There's two little pins. It's very simple to put in. It seats in really nice. And then it just gets cinched in by that outer trim piece, which using channel locks to tighten. You know, be careful when you do that so you don't break the tiles. And then the outer trim piece goes on, which I forgot to do, so I have to pull that off. Put on these two little covers. It's a good time to clean those. And then that part snugs the trim kit to the tile. You give that a little tight. Remember, tightness doesn't equal seal, so don't just muscle things down thinking you're going to seal any kind of water leakage. So putting the trim kit back on, making sure that it's in the right position. And it is. So there's the screw that holds it on, and then that outer trim piece, which gets held on by an Allen. So if you continue to watch the video, I show a different angle. You can, that's basically the job. It's very simple to do. Really, I just use a Phillips screwdriver, that Allen wrench, and the channel locks did the whole job. Everything came in on Amazon. It was about $94. I had it delivered. And here I am testing the water. It's working good. And again, here's just a different angle. Same job. I had two different cameras on. It's very fast forward. That's why it looks so shaky. So just to give you another angle of what we're doing here. So those pieces all come off. Very simple. You can see this is a new building, so nothing is really sealed or hard to get out. Everything just comes right out. Here's the box that the part came in. Of course, when you buy the part, it comes with a lot more than you need. We just needed the actual diverter valve. You might be able to just buy that diverter valve, but it was simple enough for me to just, it's a DONZE fixture. DONZE is the fixture that they use, wire used here in Brickell City Center. I'm sure it works for the Rise as well. And I saw it come up on Amazon, so I just bought the whole replacement kit and just used the actual valve. The rest of the pieces didn't need. And that's it. So again, if you have any questions, Henelect, and we'll see you soon.